Many residents of Shenzhen paused their daily routines to witness a groundbreaking moment in robotics, the PM01 robot taking a stroll through the city. Unlike other androids, PM01 walks with an exceptionally human-like gait, confidently navigating the streets for hours.
Most robots move with constantly bent knees, which looks unnatural. Humans don't walk that way. A natural human gait is energy efficient. If an android moves with bent knees, it wastes energy, but when it straightens them, the load is distributed more efficiently.
A lifelike walk is just one step toward humanizing PM01. Its most astonishing features are still ahead. A team of 50 engineers is dedicated to teaching the robot emotions and natural communication.
This is more than just a machine. We want it to feel like a person. That's why our robot behaves naturally. We hope that in the future it will understand human joy and sorrow. Our goal is to achieve this within 3 years. When that happens, talking to it will feel no different from talking to a human. That's what we call success.
With advanced degrees of freedom in its neck and waist, PM01 supports natural walking modes and features cross-platform algorithm capabilities. This allows it to adapt to different terrains and maintain stability even on uneven surfaces. Its state-of-the-art motion control system ensures fluid movement, making interactions more intuitive and engaging. EngineAI is offering promotional pricing until March 31st, 2025, with the commercial edition upgraded to the educational edition at no additional cost. The PM01 is priced at $12,000 USD, making it one of the most affordable high-performance humanoid robots on the market. The release of PM01 has created a global buzz in the robotics industry. The developers sparked even more excitement by sharing a video where, for the first time in history, a humanoid robot performs a front flip. According to the team, PM01 mastered the trick in just 10 days. And as they continue refining its cognitive abilities, its future potential is limitless. EngineAI continues to impress with its latest reveal, the SE01 humanoid robot, showcasing advanced mobility and control. Chinese robotics company EngineAI is making waves with a new video showcasing its SE01 humanoid robot walking outside its headquarters in Shenzhen. The footage, which some initially mistook for CGI, highlights China's rapid advancements in humanoid robotics over the past year. The timing is no coincidence. EngineAI recently made its debut at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, unveiling its full lineup of cutting-edge robots, including the SE01, SA01, and PM01 models. While it's unclear whether the SE01 in the video was operating autonomously or being teleoperated, its fluid, natural gait has impressed robotics enthusiasts worldwide. The SE01 is EngineAI's flagship humanoid, built for industrial applications. Standing at 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches, and weighing 55 kilograms, 121 pounds. It features advanced harmonic force control joint modules, deep reinforcement learning, and imitation learning algorithms.
Our goal is to create versatile, scalable humanoid robots that will serve humanity in all industries. SE01's natural gait and PM01's accessibility are just the beginning.
With its ability to perform human-like movements such as running, squatting, and heavy lifting, the SE01 is designed for demanding tasks in factory and logistics environments. Unlike many previous humanoid robots, SE01's walking motion closely resembles that of a human, demonstrating remarkable balance and adaptability in outdoor conditions. EngineAI is aggressively scaling production, targeting over 1,000 units annually across all models by the end of 2025. Unitree Robotics is taking the internet by storm with its incredibly lifelike humanoid robots. This cutting-edge robotics company from Hangzhou, China, has developed advanced motion control algorithms that give its robots unmatched agility, coordination, and fluidity. Recently, a video of Unitree's dancing robots went viral, amazing viewers around the world. 16 H1 humanoids performed a traditional Yanga dance alongside human partners, moving with incredible precision and rhythm. The robots waved colorful scarves, stepped in sync with the music, and showed off movements that felt surprisingly natural. But that's not all. Unitree's latest model, the G1, takes robotic movement to an even higher level. It's lighter, more agile, and built for even more impressive performances. And the best part? It's available right now for $16,000. With each new breakthrough, Unitree is proving that the future of robotics isn't just about automation. It's about movement, expression, and even dance. Turn on Humanoid AI, ushering in a new era of robotics. Featuring extra-large joint movement angles with 24 to 43 joint motors, this breakthrough in robotics redefines agility and control.
There are two cameras here, and over here is its LiDAR. The battery is on its left body side, and inside this part is the integrated computing unit, which includes the control algorithms that operate everything.
Unitree's humanoid robot is redefining what's possible in robotics. Here it demonstrates natural human-like walking and movement, a skill it learned in just 2 days, according to its developers. Its smooth gait and precise control make it one of the most advanced humanoid robots to date. But how stable is it? In this test, a person attempts to disrupt the robot's balance with sudden, forceful pushes. Despite these efforts, the robot stays on its feet, instantly adjusting to maintain stability. Even when struck with a boxing glove, it absorbs the impact and remains standing, proving its impressive ability to handle real-world disturbances. Beyond walking and balance, this robot is also highly compact. Watch as it lowers itself into a seated position, folding neatly into a small form weighing just 35 kilograms. This feature makes it easy to transport and store, setting a new standard for humanoid robotics. And it's not just about movement. The robot can also interact with objects. Here, it precisely manipulates a pole and various other items, including kitchenware, showcasing its potential for real-world tasks. With its adaptive motion, compact design, and advanced dexterity, Unitree's humanoid robot is a major step forward in robotics innovation. Unitree began as a master's thesis project by its founder, Wang Xingxing. In 2015, he built a prototype robot dog called X-Dog with less than $3,000. After graduating from Shanghai University, he was hired by DJI, the global leader in drone technology. But everything changed when a video of X-Dog went viral, attracting millions in investment. Seeing the potential, Wang left his job and, in 2016, founded Unitree Robotics.
In the beginning, we were a very small team of just a handful of people. It wasn't until our participation in the 2021 New Year's Gala on China Central Television for the Year of the Ox that many people started to recognize our company and our products.
Currently, Unitree Robotics has around 500 employees, and the company sells more than a dozen products. In addition to robot dogs and humanoid robots, it also offers manipulators and LiDAR systems. What sets them apart from competitors is not only their impressive performance, but also their affordable pricing.
In the future, we'll face many challenges, such as humanoid perception of the world, emotional interaction with people, and integration with true artificial intelligence. These are the tasks of the future. Right now, there isn't even true AI for humanoids. The most difficult problem we've solved so far is stability and movement coordination. In other words, developing motion control algorithms.
Meet the latest generation of Atlas, Boston Dynamics' most advanced humanoid robot yet. Fully electric and built for real-world tasks, Atlas moves with an unprecedented level of agility and control. Designed for applications like search and rescue and logistics, this powerhouse of engineering pushes the boundaries of what robots can do. While the exact price isn't public, estimates suggest Atlas costs around $140,000. A hefty sum, but a glimpse into the future of robotics. And just when you think you've seen it all, Atlas takes it up a notch. Executing highly complex, human-inspired movements, including breakdancing and an acrobatic cartwheel. This isn't just a robot, it's a revolution in motion. In this hands-on demonstration, Atlas is taking automation to the next level. Here, it's moving engine covers between storage containers and a mobile dolly, completely autonomously. No pre-programmed actions, no remote control. Instead, Atlas is powered by cutting-edge machine learning, allowing it to adapt in real time. Let's break it down. How does this actually work? Atlas uses an AI-driven vision system to scan its environment, recognize objects, and determine the best way to complete a task. If something changes, like an obstacle appearing or an object shifting position, Atlas instantly recalculates its movements using advanced sensor tracking. With precise force and position control, this robot isn't just moving objects, it's learning to handle real-world human environments. Think about it. Robots like Atlas could one day assist in warehouses, construction sites, or even disaster zones, where adaptability is crucial. Now, let's take a look at some of the biggest advancements in Atlas's navigation and handling capabilities. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed routes, Atlas now uses a real-time, ML-powered vision system to map its surroundings. It can pinpoint the exact locations of objects, even as they move. This level of adaptability brings human-like problem-solving into robotics. For example, if an unexpected obstacle appears or an item shifts, Atlas doesn't just stop, it adjusts its movements seamlessly. Thanks to its state-of-the-art sensor suite, Atlas tracks force and position with pinpoint accuracy. That means it stays balanced, coordinated, and fully operational, even when faced with unpredictable changes. This is where Atlas truly stands out. It's not just following commands, it's learning how to navigate dynamic, real-world spaces. From avoiding collisions to correcting its grip, Atlas is proving that the future of robotics is here. And it's only getting smarter. Wouldn't be a tech race without Musk. Tesla's Optimus is no longer just an idea. It's a fully operational humanoid robot designed to take on real-world jobs. Using advanced machine vision, Optimus can identify objects, track movement, and navigate its surroundings without human input. Built for efficiency, it focuses on stability and low energy consumption, making it perfect for factories, warehouses, and logistics. It can lift and move objects, walk steadily across different surfaces, and perform repetitive tasks with precision, all while running on minimal power. And here's the big news. Tesla plans to sell Optimus for under $20,000 once mass production scales up. That's a fraction of the cost of most industrial robots today. Musk's vision? A future where robots handle the dull, dangerous, and repetitive work, freeing humans for bigger and better things. The future isn't just coming, it's already on its feet.
Humans, what have you learned?
This is the future. Human error.
Humans, what have you learned?
This is the future.